My favourite part of language camp is probably that we can learn French at the same time while we're learning. The teachers, they speak French while we're learning, so they can teach us some words. And for my experience in the school, because I'm a bit new, such fun. It's really, really fun and really, really, really relaxing.
I love being able to come with my friends without normal class time, and being able to go to a new area is really fun. I'm looking forward to being able to learn Chinese from other year groups, because I only started Chinese last year and I'm not very good at it yet.
I'm really looking forward to all the new learning that we get to learn with the New Year's festival and learning about all the culture, and it's really cool. My favourite part of camp so far was probably just learning that song just before, and probably the yummy food that we got to have too.
What's your favourite part about languages camp?
My favourite part about language camp is I like the fun activities we do during the day.
I'm looking forward to have more fun at language camp.
My name's Jordan and I love language camp because I get to meet my friends in younger years and high years, and I get to learn more of the language and the culture, and that's what I like about language camp.
I'm most excited about the food and the games that we're going to do. We get new experiences and we get to learn about different types of Japanese cultures.
My favourite part of language camp is probably all the activities that we do, because they're really fun and interesting.
I had so much fun, and thank you to all the teachers.